Hello students, today's topic is break and continue statements in C. So we will discuss break and continue. These two are very useful statements used in C programming. So we will discuss one by one break and continue. So what is a break statement? When we want an early exit from a loop or a condition control statement, we use break. So break statement is used to exit from a loop or a switch. So control passing to the first statement beyond the loop or a switch. With loops, break can be used to force an early exit from the loop or to implement a loop with a test to exit in the middle of the loop body. So sometime we want to exit from a loop with a particular condition. So we'll test that condition. If this condition is true, then we will exit from the loop. So a break within a loop should always be protected with an if statement, which provides a test to control the existence. So a break should always be controlled by a if statement. So if the condition is true, then we will exit from that loop. So let's discuss a flowchart of break. So this is a flowchart. Test condition within loop. If this condition is true, then break. Otherwise, the loop will execute normally. When the condition becomes true, the control will exit from this loop. This is a flowchart of the break statement. Let's have a program. I have included two header files, standard input-output.h and console input-output.h. So I have taken an integer n. I have used a loop here for n equal to 1 and n is less than equal to 5 and n plus plus. If n equal to 3, print this and exit. When value of n becomes 3, so exit from this loop. Otherwise, print the value of n. So let's have the output. For example, here n value of n is 1 first, because n is initialized by 1, so value of n becomes 1. So 1 is less than equal to 5, yes, true. It will check is 1, if 1 greater than equal to, if 1 equal to 3, no, it's not equal to, it will not go in this uh, condition control statement. So print, it will print number equal to 1. So number equal to 1 got printed. Then again n plus plus, value of n becomes 2. So 2 is less than equal to 5, yes, true. So it 2 is not equal to 3, condition fails. It will go here, number equal to 2, number equal to 2 got printed. Then value of n becomes 3, 3 is less than equal to 5, condition is true. 3 is equal to 3, yes, this is true. So it will, control will go inside this if statement. So I understand the user break, I understand the user break. So this got printed here. In break, it will put control out of the loop. So our control will uh, be here and out of the loop. Out of the loop got printed and gets here. So this is how break works. If we haven't used break here, the whole loop will execute from 1 to 5. So number 1 2 3 4 5 got printed and then out of the loop. But I have used a break here with a condition when value of n is 3. So when the value of n becomes 3, it will print this statement and it will break from here. So the control goes out of the loop. This is how break works. Now continue. So continue statement is used when we want to go to the next iteration of the loop after speaking some statement of the loop. So in some case where we don't want to exit completely from the loop, but we want to exit some iterations of the loop, so we use continue. So like break, continue should be protected by an if statement. So like break, continue should be protected by if statement. If condition is true, then continue, else the normal loop will be executed. So we will have a flow chart. This is a flow chart. Test condition within for loop. So if this condition is true, then continue. It will again go above the loop, and if this condition is false, then the remaining part of the loop will be executed. Until the condition is false, that this loop will execute normally. When this condition will become true, so that iteration will be skipped and control again comes from above the loop and it will again check the condition. If the condition is again true, then it again goes above, and if the condition is false, then the loop will execute normally. So let's have a same program which I used in break. I have included two header files. So n, so here value of n is 1. So 1 is less than equal to 3, yes, true. Sorry, 1 is less than equal to 5, yes, true. So 1 is equal to 3, no. it will print number equal to 1. 1 got printed here. Then value of n becomes 2. 2 is less than equal to 5. Yes, true. 2 is equal to 3. No. Then number equal to 2 got printed here. Then value of n becomes 3. N equal to 3 equal to 3. Yes, true. So it will go inside this if statement. So I understand the use of continue. I understand the use of continue. This will got printed and continue. It will skip the next part of the loop and it will again go and value of n becomes now 4. So 4 is less than equal to 5. Yes, true. 4 equal to 3. No. So number equal to 4. Number equal to 4 got printed. Then value of n becomes 5. 5 is equal to 5 is less than equal to 5. Yes, 5 is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 3. No. It will again go here. Number equal to 5 got printed. Then value of n becomes 6. 6 is less than equal to 5. False. So control will go out of loop. So out of loop got printed. So here number 1, number 2, and the when the condition becomes true, that part will be skipped. So number equal to 3 is not printed here. So this is how continue works. So I have taken a comparison of the two outputs which I have discussed in here. So the output of the first where I have used break is 1, 2, and understand it will go out of the loop. But when I use continue, it will print number 1, number 2. Then it will not print number 3 because I have used the continue statement with condition when I equal to n equal to. But it will again go come from above and it again the iterate the next iteration, that is it will print the number value of number equal to 4 and value of number equal to 5, and out of the loop it will print these values. So this is the difference between break and continue. In break it will exit from the loop when the condition becomes true, but in continue it will only exit from that iteration and it will again come back from with next iteration. So this is what I have today about break and continue, how break and continue, and what are the how we can use break and continue in your C programming. Thank you.